Hello all of you. So welcome to my next video in a next series of transistor and sensors. Okay, so in the last lecture we have learned about the theoretical part of working of PNP and NPN transistor. So let us summarize in short and let us test this circuitry practically. Okay, so in the circuit 1 we have seen that we have taken the output from the collector side, and in the circuit 2 we have taken the output from the emitter side. So as this transistor is PNP, means if the base of the transistor is positive, then the transistor will on, and if the base of the transistor is 0, means the transistor is off. So already we have seen this. We have drawn one truth table also, that is indicating when the base of the transistor is 0, means you won't get the output, means the transistor remains off and you get the output at the collector side, means the condition number 1 where the LED will turn on. And if the base of the transistor is logic 1, means transistor is on. In the second condition, at the emitter side you get the output on. So let us see this practically. Now you can see here I've got a breadboard over here, and on this breadboard I have mounted a circuitry. Now the first circuitry, if you observe this, so there are two transistors here. Okay, now for the first circuitry I have taken the output from the collector side. If you observe it, so this first pin is collector, then it is base, and then emitter. Emitter is directly grounded as shown in the figure. Emitter is directly grounded. In the second, if you observe that, so the first one is the collector, okay, second is base, and from the output of the emitter I have connected the another LED over here. So you can see here at the output of the emitter we have connected the LED. Now let us check this circuit by giving the different inputs. Now I have applied the 5 volt supply over here. So this red wire is a positive voltage, and the black wire I have applied a negative voltage over ground. So in the first logic, as you can see, the base of the transistor is connected to the ground. So in this case, what should happen? If the base of the LED is connected to ground, as the output is from the collector side, this LED should turn on. The second logic, what I will do, I will connect this also to the ground. So I have connected this second logic also to the ground. Now this transistor, the output we have taken from the emitter side, means that in the both the case the transistor is going to remain off. Now I will turn on the power supply. Now see, as soon as I turn on the power supply, the first transistor is also off, second is also off. But as the first transistor is off, the output is from the collector side, the LED is on, means input to the transistor is logic 0, so the transistor is off, but as the output is taken from the collector side, the output is logic 1. Now in the second case also the transistor is off, as the base of the transistor is connected to the ground, but we have taken the output from the emitter side, so there is no flow of charge or a current from a collector to emitter, so it remains off. Now I will change the logic. Now I will remove this ground, and instead of ground I will connect it to the plus VCC. Now see, as soon as I have connected to the plus VCC, what happens? The transistor is on, there is a flow of charge from collector to emitter, and hence the output is logic 1, means LED is going. Now I will remove this one also, and I will connect it to the plus VCC. See, that LED is off. Now why? Because here now both the LEDs are both the transistors are in the on state, but the first logic circuit, as the input is logic 1, the transistor is turned on, whatever the collector current is flowing towards the emitter, hence the LED is connected to the collector current, so no current over there for the LED, so it becomes 0. In the second condition, the transistor is on, hence we have connected the LED towards the emitter side, and hence the current is flowing from collector to the emitter, and from emitter to the LED, it turns on. So this is the basic how you can use a transistor as a driving circuitry. So in the next upcoming video we are going to interface a different sensor to the transistor, like PIR sensor, motion sensor, sound sensor, touch sensors, etc, etc. So for more videos and the series, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.